Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this pot model in SolidWorks. Okay, let's start our tutorial now. Okay guys, here we have our SolidWorks, and here just we will have a look on the pot model. And just having a look, we can observe that we can complete this whole pot model in just two features. I mean, the first feature will be the bottom base part, and the second one will be the vertical part. And to concentrate on the base part, we can just observe that here we have a rectangle of length 60 plus 20 plus 20, which is 100, and width here it is not given, but it is given at this side, which is 15 plus 30 plus 15, which is 60. And here we have an extrusion on this part rectangle. Okay, let's start with the base rectangle now. I'm just starting with the pot model. As usual, I'm taking the top plane, and now I'm going to draw the rectangle, I mean like the corner rectangle with the height of 60 and the length of 100 mm. And here we can see that we have an extrusion which starts at 20 mm apart from this edge. So I'm just going to draw a line from here of 20 mm, and the height of this is given as 15 here, so I'm just drawing a 15 vertical and again 20 horizontal, and just closing this part. I'm just trimming it off so that I will have the exact geometry of the base. Now we can see that they have extruded this to 10 mm. Let's do that now. I'm just clicking and it's already like 10 mm. Just clicking OK. And next we have the vertical part here, which is again a rectangle of height 55 mm and length 60 mm, but with an extrusion of this part. Okay, now let's start with that one. I'm just taking this plane as per normal, and I'm going to draw just this rectangle, and again next to that we will concentrate to this extrusion. I'm taking the corner rectangle of height 55 mm and length of 60 mm, and now we are going to do this extrusion part, which is I am starting from this end of 15 mm, which is given here, and now I'm going vertical, which is given here as 20 mm. And now they have given this whole length as 15, which means that here we have a circle of diameter 30 mm and radius 15 mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to complete this part, and from this center of this horizontal line I'm going to draw a circle of 15 mm radius. And now I'm going to complete a horizontal line of 30 mm, and from this center I'm just completing this circle now, and I'm trimming it off. And I'm about to complete this extrusion, and I'm done. Now we have made this sketch of this vertical part. Now we have here, and just I'm giving the extrusion now. It's been made on the other side. We want in the opposite side of what it has been made. And yeah, we have it here. Yes, we have here now. Okay guys, thanks for being here for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please do share with your friends and like, comment and share your valuable suggestion in the comment section. See you in the next session. Thank you.